Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
And the way the government has been giving impetus to development of infrastructure over not only this budget but over the last few budgets has been really exemplary. At least my personal view is a lot of visionary statements have been made in the budget, and I personally believe that it's focusing on 3-4 major areas. One is, of course, convenience to citizens, and I think lots of schemes have been introduced. I just hope and I'm hopeful that all these are implemented within a definite period of time.
Indian economy is on the right track to go uphill, and I think we all should be happy about that. One sector which was having ups and downs and still not recovering was the hospitality sector, and the welcome sign is that the government has acknowledged the fact that hospitality sector and the allied services are still affected, and they have extended the credit scheme for that. The ECLGS scheme, the credit linked guarantee scheme, is extended, which is a very, very welcome sign.
देश के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को वर्ल्ड क्लास बनाएगा, रोजगार की निर्मित करेगा और ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टमेंट को अट्रैक्ट भी करेगा। इस प्रकार का ये अनप्रेसिडेंटेड, अप्रत्याशित, जिसकी हमने कल्पना नहीं की थी, इस प्रकार का निवेश इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के सेक्टर में सरकार कर रही है। कोविड की महामारी में उद्योगों को जो नुकसान हुआ, उसमें से उद्योगों को उबारने के लिए ECGLS जो स्कीम तैयार की थी, उसको मार्च 2023 तक एक्सटेंशन देकर 5 लाख करोड़ रुपए का निवेश हमारे उद्योगों को बचाने के लिए हमारी सरकार कर रही है। वही MSME, सूक्ष्म लघु और मध्यम उद्योगों के लिए 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान किया गया है। और विशेष रूप से चूंकि मैं गोवा से प्रेस कर रहा हूं, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री को एक बहुत बड़ा सुरक्षा कवच इस बजट के माध्यम से यहां पर दिया गया है।
Common man already is reeling under price rise, inflation, higher excise and customs duties, which are keeping the price of LPG, petrol and diesel at higher rates. Nothing in the budget to address inflation and provide relief to the common man. Nothing for the MSME and self-entrepreneurs. See, this sector has passed through a very, very bad condition because of pandemic, because of COVID, and because of the failure of the government to manage this COVID pandemic properly. It is worst.